Yeah, hi. Now we will see how to use Google Meet by a teacher. Log on to your Gmail account, click on sign in, enter the organization's official email ID, enter the password, so now you are logging to your email account where you can see your inbox and the required mails. So on the top right side you can see Google Apps buttons. In these Google Apps you can see Meet icon, MEET. So click on that Meet. So when you click on Meet, it will open meet.google.com, and here you can see join or start a meeting. So click on this join or start a meeting. It will ask for to enter the name or nickname or any code. So here we can enter our name, or even we can leave blank also. So just enter the name and click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can see here by default it will show the camera and it will show the mic options. So if you want, you can disable these both initially, and if you are getting any notification, just click on allow on that notification. So if you want, you can unmute that mic. So depending upon our requirement, we can mute and unmute the mic and video. So now you can click on join now. On the right side you can see here name of the meeting who created, and click on join now. So when I click on join now, so the meeting will be started, and you can see here basic information, meeting basic information, and you can see the option copy joining info. When you click on this copy joining info, the complete meeting information will be automatically saved to the clipboard, to a temporary memory. So click on this copy joining info and click on cancel. Now this is the how the meet will look like, and here on the bottom you can see here this is mic enable and disable options, and this one is nothing but leave call, means if you want to close the meeting you can click here leave call, and if you want to enable the video you can click here. As of now the audio is disabled, mic is disabled, and at the same time video is also disabled. So based upon your requirement you can enable the mic, at the same time based upon your requirement you can enable the video, and the middle button is nothing but leave call. The meaning is if you want to close that meeting, then you can, if you want to leave from this particular meeting you can click on this leave call. And you can see here turn on captions, means it will show some translated information. Next you can see here present now. So when you click on this present now, you can see here your entire screen you want to show, or if you want to show a particular window, or if you want you can show a Chrome tab. So you can select here your entire screen, click on your entire screen, and when you click on your entire screen it will show the basic existing screen. So make a click on this particular screen where it will be selected, then the share option will be available. Once you click on share, then automatically your desktop will be shared to all the participants which are available in this particular meeting. See, now I am clicking on share. When I click on share, you can see here it will display the information. You are presenting your screen, you'll get this information. So now this desktop has been sharing to all the students. If you don't want to share this desktop, then you can click on stop presenting. So when you click on stop presenting, then your desktop is not visible to all the students. So this is about present now. On the bottom right side you can see three options. In these three options you can see an option called record meeting. If you want to record this session before starting the session, you can click on record meeting. Now I am clicking on record meeting. When I click on record meeting, just it will ask for a consent. This information will be shown to all the students, so we need to click on accept. Once you accept, you can see here it is starting the recording on the right side. You can see REC on the top left side, means the recording process is starting. Now this information will be recorded. Next here, if you once the session is completed, then you need to click on stop recording. Once you click on stop recording, then only the complete session will be recorded. If you forgot about that stop recording, then the recording will not be saved. So once you click on stop recording, remember that this recording will be saved automatically in your Drive account. This recording will be saved automatically in your Drive account. So remember that you need to click on start recording, and at the end we need to click on stop recording. Once you click on stop recording, then only the complete session will be recorded, and this recording will be saved automatically in your official email ID Drive account. And you can see here in these more options, you can see a change layout, full screen, and you can see the settings options are there. And in these settings you can select in these settings you can see here audio and video options. In audio, which microphone, which speaker, and you can test, you can click on test and you can check it out whether it is working or not, speakers are working or not, this we can check it out. In video also you can check it out which camera is there and whether it is working or not, we can cross check here. So this is about, these are the features which are available in Google Meet. And on the top left side you can see here, this is nothing but participants. Here only one participant is there in this particular meeting. So when you click here, it will show the participant name. So this is one participant name, and you can see here chat option is there. So in this chat option you can make a chat with your students who are available in this particular class. And the next one is, if you want to add anyone, you can click on this add people, and you can send the invitation to this particular students for invitation. So we don't need to send any new request. Why? Because before starting the class itself we can send the link to all the required students, so we don't need this option add people. So generally we will see here in people, we will see how many students are there here, and in chat if any communication is required we can use it. So these are the basic features which are available in Google Meet. So how, I'll repeat once again, just you are opening your Gmail account, go to Google Apps, click on Google Meet, open the Google Meet, and you can see here it will ask for start or joining a meeting. Click on start or joining a meeting, then it will ask for your nickname, provide your name, and immediately it will create a continue. When you click on continue, it will create a meeting, and you can see the video with audio and video icons, and you need to click on join now. Once you click on join now, then you will enter into that meeting, and it will show the basic information about the meeting details. You can click on copy and joining info, and that information, if you want, you can share it to some students, then automatically those students will join into that particular meeting. And you can see these options, these are the options: mic enable, disable, leave call, video enable, disable, turn on captions, present now, to share the desktop, and 3 options for you can see here recordings and everything. You can see number of participants, chat option. You can see in these participants you can see a list of all the students who are joined in this particular meeting. Suppose if you want to disable any particular, means if you want to remove any particular student from this particular class, you can make a click here, and you can see the drop down. So that will get when the students are joined, that options, all those options we can see later. So this is the basic information about how to use Google Meet by a teacher, or anyone can use this Google Meet for video conferences. I hope everyone can understand. Thank you.